In April of this year, the term developer handoff is becoming an artifact of the past. Lovable AI has solidified its position as the premier vibe coding platform, where Figma designs aren't just pictures for developers to copy, they are the direct blueprints of a full-stack React applications. However, there's a catch as of late. So are you still drawing boxes in Figma and then spreading weeks trying to make them work in code? So in this year, that's just lighting money on fire. Today, we're looking at the Figma plus Lovable integration. Lovable isn't just a website builder, it's an AI engineer that uses React, Byte, and Tailwind CSS to turn your design intent into a live database-backed app. We're going to cover the account setup, pricing reality, and of course the step-by-step tutorial on the building bridge, the only way to get your Figma layers into Lovable with 100% accuracy. Alright guys, so let's get you into the systems first. Let's begin with Lovable. So if you want to get started, pretty simple, just use your GitHub account, or you can use Google, doesn't really matter. But I recommend GitHub so that later on you've got the initial bridge between them both and the native integration. Okay, and after you log in, here's your dashboard. So why you want to use a GitHub as well is because Lovable's GitHub sync is the strongest feature that allows you to own your code and edit it locally if the AI gets stuck. And once you're in, you'll see the agent prompt bar. So this is going to be your main and only interface. And before you touch Figma, set up your knowledge base in the settings. You can upload your brand guidelines or a rough PRD. Lovable uses this to stay on brand during the build. Okay, and also let's be real about the cost. Lovable isn't cheap if you're a power user. So they've got a free tier, you get 5 daily credits. This is basically a demo mode. You can build a landing page, but you'll hit the ceiling before you finish a full app. Then the Pro plan. It's about $25 a month, and this is the industry standard. It gives you 100 monthly credits plus 5 daily bonuses. You get private projects, custom domains, and the ability to export your code to GitHub. Okay, now the next plans, we have business, which is about 50 euros or dollars a month. So this is for teams. It includes advanced security, faster generation speeds, and plan mode, which lets the AI outline its work before it spends your credits. And the bottom line. If you're serious about building a project, the Pro plan is the minimum requirement. Think of it as a $25 a month salary for a junior developer who never sleeps. And the pricing of the Figma, if you wish to buy that as well. As you can see, we have the professional, organization, and enterprise. As you can see, there's some detail to these plans, so just be sure to research them. And also pros and cons quickly. So what about these services? So the honest breakdown is as follows. So it's incredibly fast. Also, the UI it produces is clean because it uses the Tailwind CSS. It also sets up your backend via Supabase automatically. Also in this year, vibe coding means you can literally talk to your app to change the layout. And now the cons. So for example, in Figma, the native Figma import was removed in November because it was buggy. So now you have to use the Builder.io plugin as a bridge, which adds an extra step. Also, if your Figma layers are messy, your code will also be messy. So if you don't use the auto layout in Figma, Lovable will struggle to make your app responsive. Alright, and the workflow is as follows. We're building a dashboard from a Figma mockup. So on the Figma side, open your design. So for example, to make a mockup, just say make a mockup. Okay, and then what do we need to do? So you must use auto layout on your main frames. If it's not in auto layout, the AI won't know how to stack the elements in React. And then open the Builder.io. It's going to be this plugin in Figma. Okay, so you can just search for it, open in, and let me just create this mockup here. Let me wait for it to finish, and then you can just open it up in your certain project. Okay, let's just open it up. Let's go untitled. And what you need to do next is just select the frame you want to export. And then you just click Export to Lovable, and a browser tab will open. Select your project in Lovable. The AI will now ingest the Figma layers and map them to Tailwind classes. And once the layout is in Lovable, you can use the Visual Edits mode. This is a Figma-like panel inside Lovable. And once the layout is in Lovable, you can refine it. Use Visual Edits mode. So, and the logic, this is where it gets agentic. So just prompt the agent. You can say something like this, send it, and you can watch the logic build in backend in real time. So pretty much once again, use build.io bridge to ensure our visual fidelity was preserved. We refined the UI using visual edits to match our Figma specs perfectly. Used agent to build the functional backend and GitHub sync. And the final steps will be as follows. So firstly, the code audit. Always check the source tab. Lovable writes a clean React, but sometimes it overcomplicates components. Then deployment. When you're ready, just hit publish right here. Lovable provides a staging URL, or you can point it to your custom domain. And then GitHub sync, immediately sync to GitHub. If you ever want to leave Lovable, you have the full code base ready to host on Vercel or Netlify. And also, I'll give you last tips to make sure that you've settled everything. So the technical implementation checklist. So firstly, we have Figma auto layouts. This is non-negotiable. Every frame you want to export must use auto layout, so Lovable can interpret the flexbox structure. Then Supabase integration. So in this here, Lovable uses Supabase for everything. Ensure you have a Supabase project ID ready if you want to keep your database after the trial period. Then our Tailwind class checked. Then Tailwind class checks. If a color looks wrong, use the Visual Edits panel to check the Tailwind hex code. And the gap between design and development has officially closed. If you can design it in Figma, you can build it in Lovable. Hopefully this masterclass helps you launch your app today. If so, smash like and subscribe.